Hello. Well, you get a late afternoon report today because it's tax day and I've been very busy. We have a train down there with its lights on. Oh, and it's pouring rain. And then we have this train coming over here. We watched this one actually come into the rail yard. It is a 3-engine BNSF. Make it over the tracks, buddy. Here she comes. We'll keep an eye over there too, because that one's coming as well. We get 2 trains. And me and Christian are celebrating 1,000 subscribers today on our YouTube channel. Here we come. It's very hard to hold an umbrella. He's doing pretty good. For the love of trains. I was determined to catch a train today. We get 2. Unfortunately, the other one will be coming on the other side. We gotta get a good train window. See if I can adjust this umbrella here. I don't know, I couldn't count. I'll have to read it, look at the video. What? 6. There were 6 of them? Oh my goodness. Oh, totally worth waiting for. God, that other train wasn't that long. It doesn't do very good zooming in the rain. Wow, that was very exciting. My heart is going fast right now. Yay! Wow. Cool. Oh, I'm so happy. What an exciting day. everybody that watches us on YouTube and likes our videos. We appreciate all the support. We sure have a lot of fun doing this. I wonder where our next adventure is going to be, Christian.
We already know.
Where are we going to go? Oh yeah, we got to go find that big boy. Glad I brought my umbrella with. Oh yeah. Make room in the yard. Oh my gosh, I thought it was... I think we got a long one here. Aww. Just a random auto rack in the middle. Bunch of tankers. Here I thought it was done. I guess I can't see very far. With that many engines, I suppose it's going to be a pretty darn long train. These look new. Wow. I might see the end down there. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh well. I'm wrong. Wow. Trains in the rain. We like trains in any weather. Let's see if I can zoom down that way. Not really. Usually it looks pretty cool when there's a train going around the bend, but with this rain, I can't show you that. Oh boy. Pretty colors for a dreary day. Alright, are we going to be stopping? Yep. Oh, and there's also, I think, a freezer car down there too. Okay. Yeah, honey. Oh, yep. They're not waiting. Good idea. Christian, do you think that the engines made it all the way up to the building? And they're going to do a crew change?
I want to leave.
Okay, we can go. We can go. Yep, the train has stopped. So thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. And we got a 9-minute video here, so almost 10. So, yep, we appreciate all your support. And thank you for 1,000 subscribers today. We love you.